We've just been diving out on the reef front edge, and when we're diving on the rocky slope, what looks like reef isn't always reef. If you look at this mollusks here, these bivalve mollusks, this is a thing called Lophia cristogali, and you can see it's characterised by having this very deep V-shaped crenulations in its aperture. That was all attached to another pile of what looks like rock, but it's in actual fact oysters. And you can see how this one here, you have the top valve, the bottom valve, and it's characterised by having this turned up lip. And it's actually an oyster called Hyatissa numisma. And these are all attached under the rocky ledges of the reef flat and of the reef front, and form part of the reef communities.
These worms in here are really interesting because people see the sponge but they don't look closely, and then when you show them all the worms on it, they go, wow, it's really amazing. So they're Polydorella. They're a little marine worm. They're segmented marine worm. They're very pretty, but they're good. There are many. Here, these little ridges are all little worm tubes. It's not part of the sponge, they're all worm tubes.
Well, all of these are these worm tubes. So these species, they're in the family. They've got lots of arms and they drop them like anything. Whereas these guys